So good morning. It's another early start. It's 7 o'clock in the morning and the sun's just rising. Lovely morning again. A bit damp on the ground, which is good. No frost, so that's even better. So today I'm going to do the tomato challenge. This was set from Mrs GreenThumnb. So we've got to show planting the tomato and growing the biggest tomato and showing as the journey goes on. So today I'm going to start my challenge and I'm growing tomato Easton's beefsteak. This came from the Southampton seed swap and it says it's an indeterminate heritage variety. Cordon produces large red slightly flattened beefsteak type fruit. The flowers of this variety have protruding stigma, so will cross with other tomato varieties of this type. We have very little information on the flavour of this tomato, so let us know what you think. So sow indoors January to March, plant out March to May, harvest July, September. So this is my tomato beefsteak, tomato Easton's beefsteak. So just looked at my seeds and we've got 5 seeds. Hard to see, but they are there. So I'm just going to literally get a square pot, fill it with compost, as we do, firm it down, and then 5 seeds, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 in the middle. 5. So there's my 5 seeds. Sprinkle on top. Job done. So there's my 5 seeds. Done. Thank you very much, Mrs GreenThumnb, and we shall see what happens with these. So please join along, and it'd be interesting to see how big we can get these tomatoes. Thank you very much. Please remember, subscribe, ring the bell, and get notifications when I post some more, and we can watch this grow along with my other tomatoes. So thank you very much. Cheers.